Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and confirming your account email. Once done, open Account Settings because you'll enable two-step verification now. Make sure your phone has Google Authenticator installed and that notifications are allowed. This matters because you'll need to scan or enter a code. If you use a computer, leave the browser tab open beside your phone. Now navigate to Security so you can find the two-step verification section and begin the pairing process. Once in the two-step verification menu, choose to add an Authenticator app. Roblox will show a QR code and a manual key. You'll scan that QR code with Google Authenticator. Open the app, tap Add, then scan a QR code. You'll immediately get a 6-digit rotating code. If your phone camera fails, tap Manual Entry and carefully type the provided key into Authenticator. This achieves the same secure link. Make sure your phone's time is set to automatic, because time drift can break codes. You finalize setup by entering the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Roblox. Once accepted, two-step verification is active, and your account gains stronger protection. Make sure to copy or download Roblox backup codes and store them somewhere safe. This prevents lockout if you lose your phone. If something goes wrong, first check that your phone's time is set to automatic and synced. If codes still fail, use a backup code to sign in. Then redo the Authenticator link to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.